2025 is the year of the coupon, right? I actually mean to sign up on the PNG coupons website, and we don't necessarily eat fast food a lot. Like every now and then we'll get Hardee's. I know my sister sometimes goes to um, Subways, uh, and sometimes every now and then we'll get some pizzas from Pizza Hut. Where does where's the expiration date? Do these expire? Anyway, so I've been over here cutting up some coupons. I have another sheet of this because we got two of these mailers from the Wendy's, and so I'm just gonna. These expire March 1st, and I tend to shop at Wendy's a lot in terms of fast food. I've got the free Cinnabon pull apart. Oh, I think I lost. Did I lose it? I think I might have lost my free frosty for my birthday. Oh no. Okay. Anyway, the free. I don't care for Cinnabon pull apart, but I do like this 2 for 12 classic chicken sandwich. And so, besides these coupons, I mean to figure out more ways to get my hands on like manufacturers coupons and whatnot. And I need to re-download a lot of the apps. Dollar General app I'm going to download, and buy things accordingly that are free or whatever or less than free. So yeah, I'm gonna do. I got 8 on this sheet. Okay. All right, so let's gather them all up together. What I like about these is that they all have the logo. They don't necessarily say, I've cut them up, they don't necessarily say, but that's the Domino's logo, that's the Hardee's logo, that's the Subway's logo. So they all have the logo on the corner. And like I say, I pretty much only use Wendy's of these four. I always say I like to have my points on for emergency food so I can redeem an emergency food. I don't know that anything here is a coupon for just something free. I think it's all buy one, get one free, or buy something, get something free, or just discounted price. I don't necessarily know that any of these coupons are different than anything that's going to be in the app. I don't think that they have the 2 for $12 in the app. I don't care for Baconator fries. $2 off any breakfast combo. I like that. Premium combo, isn't it? Okay, I have 2 of those off any premium combo, right? 2 off any salad, breakfast sandwich, $1.89 kids meal. The 2 for $12 apart. I'm gonna word these in some sense. Buy one get one for the Dave's Bagel and the Baconator. So that's a buy one get one free. We got the free with purchase. So I've got the free medium fry, the free cinnamon, 2 for $12. Buy one get one free. Any croissant? No, this is buy one get one free. Not buy one for get one for $1. Buy one get one free is different. Free Baconator fries with purchase. Buy one get one free nuggets, and a discount price. Okay, so $2 off, $2 off, $2 off. Oh no, $2. Excuse me, $2 off, but $2 any. $2 off. Okay, so we've got the breakfast. $2 off breakfast meal. $2 off salad. $2 off any premium combo meal. I've got 2 of the combo meals. So I'm gonna put the salad behind the combo meal. Actually, the breakfast too, because I'm probably just gonna use it off the combo meal. The buy one get one for $1 is gonna go behind the buy one get one free. The $2 any is similar enough to the $2 any is similar enough to the $1.99 kids meal. That's going to be discounted price, but I don't really care for either of those, so those are going to go behind these discounted price. I don't $5 10-piece saucy nugs. I'm not really sure about saucy nugs, but that's going to go above the things. And the $2 2 for $12 is going to go discounted price. And then the free with any purchase is going to go up before free buy one get one free. Yes, and okay, so the free with any purchase before that, but I'm probably going to use the 2 for $12 first, and the $2 off, buy one get one free. Yeah, the price reduction is going to the back. Okay, so let me just check about the Pizza Hut ones. They've got large 2 topping and cheesy bread, $18.99. So it's a price. It's a price 20% off. Price reduction, $2 or more, $11. We're gonna go by price with this one. Large 2 $16.99, $12.99. Okay, $14.99. Let's see. All right, so that's only 6. It's only 6 here. Okay, only 6 from Pizza Hut. Which one would I likely to get? 2 or more large top. Oh, $12.99 each. These prices aren't great. I feel like I'd rather probably make my own pizza, but I guess good to have. Oh, because you don't necessarily have to buy more than one. Okay. So Pizza Hut, and these I have done by size. So I think the Wendy's ones are the smallest ones. Let's see. Well, they're still going ahead of regardless because I'm not gonna. Yeah, they're a little smaller than the Pizza Hut ones. Okay, so Wendy's, Pizza Hut, Hardee's. I don't really eat at Hardee's. $2.29 biscuits and gravy. $1 off maple snack pack. I'm not gonna have that. $2 off. 40% off. $2 off. Free with purchase. Set price. $5 off. Okay. So we've got the 2 for something or blank price each. 2 of them. So I'm gonna order these by price. Have another one of these. I have 2 more of these actually. This. Okay. So that's by price. Then we have the off. We've got $1 off. I'm gonna do this reverse. I'm gonna do 40% off. And I'm gonna do $2 off, $1 off. do 40% off in the back for whatever reason, and $5 off. $5 off should be the top. No, I'm gonna put $5 off. I'm gonna put $5 off at the back. Okay. 229, 279. Okay, I really don't care for it's just set price and then free with combo. So yeah, okay, so I'm likely to get, yeah, okay. So are these other ones? Okay, where are the two for prices going? Is that going on the off, before the off, or no? I'm gonna free with combo, percent off, set price. Oh, these are gonna go all the way to the back. Okay, yeah. Okay. And then Subways. Get 3-foot longs, get 2-foot longs, get 8-foot long, get 8-foot long meal, get 3-foot longs, buy one, get one free, get 2-foot longs, set price, set price. So cheaper, set price. Oh, okay, set price. Buy one, get one free. It's gonna go, where should buy one, get one free? Behind the set price ones. For Subways. Foot longs, 2-foot longs, 2-foot longs, 3-foot longs. Okay. The question is, do I keep these in my purse? Do I keep this somewhere on the fridge so that if anyone wants to take a given set, they could? The Wendy's ones, it says you can use. What does this mean? It says use valid only at participating Wendy's. Void if altered, copied, or shown in digital format. Why? Okay. But it has the coupon code. This has to be a physical in-person coupon? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just going to carry this in my purse, I guess, then. You can only have savings if it's in this format. Okay. So, money right here. Not really. I wish there was something that was just free, right? Like, get free for a limited time or something. Anyway, yeah.